Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your baby girl Cindy here. If this is your first time to be on my channel, you're welcome. For my old subscribers, you're highly welcome. In fact, thank you guys for all you've done. Thank you for your support. Thank you for staying put for me. Thank you for supporting your baby girl always. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you guys. I really appreciate big time. For my new subscribers, you know what to do. Subscribe, stay put, turn on your notification bell so you see our video updated every time. Make sure you turn on your notification bell to get notified every time we post our videos, every time we post a new video. Yes guys, and this is gonna be a silent vlog, just like how my days has been in a week. In fact guys, it's really been a lot. So guys,
Do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough.
what would I call this? Is it an addiction or what? I don't know. Somebody should help me. Like, I'm so loving this product. I love it so very much. Guys, our long-lasting simple moisturizing facial wash is out finally. Oh, you're done with this. This is an empty can right now, so we are replacing this one with a new one. We are replacing with this. Yeah, I couldn't get that particular one, so I have to get this. So here we are. I'm actually dressing up so I can go to the salon and fix up my wig. Like, a few hours later, I went to the salon that's not that far from my house, very close. This is the salon I use most times. I decided to go there to straighten my wig. This is my first time of straightening my wig, like first time of revamping and straightening my wig myself. I am really shocked. I did a very good job here, guys. I'm loving this wig. See how lushing and
Maybe it's not enough, baby. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough.
of your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't, I'm the prey. But this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side of the moon. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side of the moon. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Again, well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side of the moon. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away.